Big announcement today from the Grayson County Children's Advocacy Center will help the littlest victims of abuse. News 12's Kristen Nill joins us live to tell us how the program they're starting will save time, win seconds count, and keep children from being re-traumatized. Kristen.
Dan and Maureen, when a child has been abused or sexually assaulted, they not only have to tell their story, they have to have an invasive examination. Right now, the nurses who perform those exams are an hour away in the Dallas area. But thanks to the Texoma Health Foundation, that is changing. After a child has been abused, the investigation into the crime can often be just as traumatizing. That includes the hour drive to a Dallas area hospital for a sexual assault exam.
Unfortunately, we have quite a few children and adults that are sexually assaulted. We're no different than other counties, and they should get the best medical treatment as they would if they were living in Dallas.
But soon, children will be able to get one of these exams right here in Grayson County. The CAC and Crisis Center are teaming up to create a sexual assault nurse examiner, or SANE program, and they just got the money to make it happen.
By the time it's done, we'll have 3 to 5 nurses that will be fully trained and able to respond on a rotating basis to evaluate these kids.
A $40,000 grant from the Texoma Health Foundation will allow the CAC to have a nurse on call 24/7, saving valuable time, which District Attorney Joe Brown says helps preserve evidence that can be vital to a case. But it also helps the victim start the healing process faster.
They've almost been re-traumatized by having to drive to other areas, and then sometimes they just have to sit and wait for hours and hours, and sometimes they're just unable to, and so they just give up.
The nurses will perform exams at Wilson & Jones and Texoma medical centers. So far, 10 nurses are planning to go through the year-long training process.
Even though this is a horrible thing that happens, they can immediately begin the healing process.
The center is currently only able to do examinations if the child comes in after the first 96 hours. If you or someone you know is being abused, contact your local authorities. For more information on what to look for, check out the blue banner on our website, kxii.com. Throughout April, Child Abuse Awareness Month, you'll find links to area children's centers and other resources. Live in the studio, Kristen Nill, News 12.